sounds a bit obliged without phrasal verbs. Look up to the sky, look on your horizons. Don't be so shy. Wash away your shyness. When you're going out, look after your dog. Don't scream or shout. Don't leap up like a frog. Phrasal verbs are colors. They make our speech alive. They turn off the darkness, and they turn on the light. Hello guys, I hope you like my little song about phrasal verbs, and I hope you find it useful and funny. And I hope it helps you to understand what phrasal verbs are and what they are for. Actually, phrasal verbs are the combination of verb and preposition or an adverb to make our speech more vivid and more colorful. Phrasal verbs, it is a combination, as I said before, it is a combination of a verb, preposition, or an adverb, which gives a new meaning to the original word. For example, hand in, work out, point out, get by, carry on, give in, give up, whatever. And phrasal verbs could be separable and unseparable. Actually, as you can guess from its name, separable verbs, phrasal verbs, it is a combination of verb and preposition or adverb, where you can put something between the verb and the preposition or adverb. For example, check in, check it in. He puts his shoes on, or he puts on his shoes. So you can change the order of words. Or unseparable, so you can put nothing between the verb and the second part, adverb or preposition. Take after, you cannot play with take, after, take, okay, whatever. Make up, you just accept it like it is. Well, okay, all necessary explanations and some exercises you can find in the description to this video. I wish you good luck, good day, and hope to see you later.